How buyers compare 3 to 5 suppliers and why you lose even with good price. Let me ask you something. When a buyer sends an inquiry, do you think they talk to only you? No. Most buyers compare 3 to 5 suppliers before making a decision. So the real question is not, is my price good? The real question is, how am I being compared? Today I will explain this to you in a very simple manner. Step 1. Buyers don't compare everything. Buyers do not analyze 20 factors. They simplify. They usually compare on 3 things: trust, clarity, risk. Price comes later. Step 2. The elimination process. Buyers first eliminate weak options, not choose the best. They remove suppliers who reply late, communicate poorly, do not understand the requirement. So if you are slow or unclear, you are out, even before price discussion. Step 3. The shortlist. Now the buyer has 2 to 3 suppliers left. At this stage, they ask, who understands my application better? Who looks more professional? Who feels easier to work with? This is where most decisions happen, not at price stage. Step 4. The risk check. Now comes the final filler. The buyer asks who is less risky. They think about delivery, quality, communication, problem handling. Even a small doubt can remove you. Step 5. Price comes last. Not only 1 to 2 suppliers remain, here price matters, but only if everything else is equal. If one supplier looks more reliable, buyer will pay more. Simple example: supplier A, lowest price, slow reply. Supplier B, medium price, clear communication. Supplier C, highest price, strong trust. Very often buyer chooses supplier B or C because risk is lower. What should you do? If you want to win more orders, focus on 3 things: respond fast, communicate clearly, show understanding. These 3 move you into the shortlist. Buyers do not reward the cheapest supplier, they reward the most reliable option. So next time you lose an order, don't ask, was my price low enough? Ask, did I reduce the buyer's risk? Because that is how buyers think. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about B2B marketing, subscribe and view my channel now.